Sukriv Gautam, good morning. Take your slate and write the numbers what I am telling you. 16. Very good, Mahesar. 16. 1, 6, 16.
Good morning, sir.
Very good, Mama. Really good. Okay, now next number 20. 20. 20. How will you write number 20? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20.
20 எழுதி சொல்றாங்க. 20மா
20. 21ல ஆரம்பிக்குமா? நோ. 20, 2, 0, 20. Yeah, good morning, Ma Keshav. Take your slate, Keshav, and write the numbers, Ma. 2, 0, 20. Very good, Mahilini. Ananya, Madhuvanti, Visha, Taruneshwar. Good. Hazel, good.
Ma'am, what?
20. Very good, Marudwin. Sukriv, good. 20. 2, 0, 20. Very good. Next is 14. 14. 14. 14. Very good, Mahilini. No, wrong, Ma. Hazel. 4, 1 I have written. Come on, show it closer. 1, 4. Okay, fine. I thought it is 4, 1. 14. 1, 4, 14. Good. Sukriv Gautam, how will you write 4, Ma Sukriv Gautam? Let me see. See here, Sukriv Gautam. Without taking your hand, standing line, sleeping line. ஓகேவா? தென் ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன். ஆனா இப்படி எழுதக்கூடாது. இப்படி போட்டு இப்படி போட்டு இப்படி போடக்கூடாது. டோன்ட் ரிமூவ் யர் ஹேண்ட் ஃபார் 3 டைம்ஸ். ஓகேவா? எல் மாதிரியே போடணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எல் யூ ஹேவ் டு ரைட் லைக் எல் அண்ட் தென் ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன். தட்ஸ் இட். கை எடுக்காம எழுதணும். ஓகே? யா. கம் ஆன், ரைட் லைக் தட். 14. கை எடுக்காம எழுதுங்க பார்க்கலாம். 14. 4. Standing line, sleeping line together without taking your hand and a standing line. 14. Yeah, good. That's it. That's my boy, Sukrit. Good boy.
சொல்லு.
Yeah, very good.
கிளாப் பண்ணுவாங்க. அது பண்ணுவாங்க.
பண்ணுமா, clap பண்ணலாம்.
ஓகே.
Okay. Next number. Okay, shall we move on to the next number? Next number is 19. 19. Rudvin, write number 19. Rudvin, 19 எழுதுங்க. 19. Very good, Ma. Mahini, good. But Mahini, how are you writing 9 like this, இப்படிதானே எழுதுறீங்க? No, not like that. Start with a curve. ஏ எப்படி எழுதுவோம் அதே மாதிரி எழுதி கீழே வரணும். ஓகே கண்ணா? அந்த மாதிரி எழுத ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க கொஞ்சம். Yeah, good morning, Ma. Dashwan, good morning, Varsha. 19, those who are writing 9 like this, correct yourself. Standing line and a curve. This is not the right way to write. Wrong. This is not correct. Wrong. How will you write 9? First write a curve, go up and come down. கை எடுக்காம எழுதணும். Very good, Ma Supreet. Rudwin, good. ரத்யா, நீ 2019 மாதிரி இருக்கு நீங்க எழுதுனது. Nice, good. Very good. Mahili, good ma. Samat, good girl. Keshav, how are you writing 9, ma Keshav? Let me see. Write and show, ma'am. How are you writing 9? Just tilt your camera, no? Let me see how he is writing 9. Yeah, good. Down, down, come down. Yeah, fine. Thank you. Good. Okay, next number 13. 13. 13. Dashwan 13 எழுதுங்க. Right, 13. Good, Mahilini. 13. Good. Sugriv. Jason. Ananya, 13. Hazel, very good, Hazel. Hazel, you have gained lot of control in writing, Hazel. Very good girl, Hazel. Very
Thank you,
good.
ma'am.
Very good. Previously, she used to write big letters, but now she is having a good control in writing. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Hazel. Good morning, Ma Mitra. Achicho, Mitra, where is your hair? Looking nice without your hair also. அழகா இருக்கு. Okay. Okay, next number. Next number. 12. 12. 12. Which is 12? Come on, let me check. How many of you know number 12? Which is 12? Come on, tell me which is 12. Which is 12, children? This one or this one?
First
This
one.
one.
First
One. Very good. One, two, 12. Apa the number? Which number is it? 21 is okay, okay, 2, 1, 21. This is 1, 2, 12. Okay, don't confuse yourself, children. 1, 2 தான் 12. 2, 1 வந்து 21. For that only I regularly used to tell you read numbers. First number என்ன, second number என்ன. Okay, don't confuse yourself. Okay, hope everyone has joined. Over 1 to 12. Good. Okay, all of you keep your slates down. We'll start our session. Come on. Keep your slates down. Stand up. Join your hands and close your eyes, children. Yes, Visha will say Kids the Anthem today. Good morning, Sarah.
Morning.
Sarah, give high five to ma'am, Sarah.
High five.
Just give me high five. You know why ma'am is giving you high five? You started writing numbers, alphabets. Very good. Till double you have finished, right? Good girl.
Thank you, Bula.
Very good girl. Okay, continue like this, okay? Okay, children, join your hands and close your eyes for Kids the Anthem. Yes, Visha, you can start, ma.
Join your hands. Reach up. Example.
You are infinite.
You are unique. My potential inside. You are unique. You make my life. You define me. My potential
You
inside.
define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might.
With all my might.
I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yes, okay. Beginning with Shravya. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mariani, Sudhir, Visha, Vansha, Tanvir, Dashwan, Mitra, Keshav. Good morning, everyone. Okay, first of all, we'll play the color. Yes, good morning, Mahilini. We'll play the color game. Ready? Ah? Yes, come on, stand up, be ready. Color game. Color, what color do you choose? I choose yellow. Yellow. Come on, bring any yellow color objects. Come on. Very good, Mahilini brought a car. Radyani brought a bat. Ananya brought a toy. Sugriv also brought a bat. Huh? Okay, good. Mosquito bat. Okay, Rudvin toy. Good. Okay, very good. Very good, Varsha. Yellow color toy. Good. Okay, next. Color. What color do you choose? What color shall I choose? Mahini, enna color pudikkum? What color shall I choose?
Huh?
Pink. Okay, come on, bring any pink color object. Run and bring any pink color. It can be your dress also, okay? Pink. Wow.
Wow.
Pink color. Toy tray. Good. Slate.
Hmm?
Yeah. Pink dress. Jason. Good. Toy. Yeah, very good. Most of you have got toys and bags. Very good. Yeah, very good, Varsha. Very good. Okay. Color. What color do you choose? Now I'm going to ask Varsha. What color shall I choose? What color shall I choose, Varsha? Blue. Yeah, blue. Come on. Bring any blue color object. Blue. Very nice. Sukri Gautam got a water bottle. Very good. Blue. Small car. Mahini is fond of car. Many cars I can see. Amava. What color car your daddy is having?
Blue.
Very good. Your dress, Varsha. Good. Very good. Worksheet book. Very clever, Ananya. Hazel is searching for blue color. Ball. Very good. Very good, children. Okay, now shall we? Very good, Ma, Sara. Snake. Good. Okay, shall we start our warm-up activity? Ready? Yeah, 1 minute.
What's going on?
Run, all of you.
Break it.
Run. Okay, now all of you can go drink water and come back. Come on. Dashwan. Very good, Dashwan. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Jason. Very good, Jason. Keshav. Very good, Keshav. Radyani. Very good, ma. Rudvin. Very good, Rudvin. Next, Sarah. Very good, Sarah. Ananya. 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 Very good, Mananya. Sukhdeep Gautam. Very good, Sukhdeep Gautam. Visha. Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Mahini. Very good, Mahini. Mitra. Very good, Mitra. Very good, Dharmeshwar. Varsha. Very good, ma Varsha. Vihan. Vihan. One is absent. Okay. Madhuvanti. 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 Very good, Madhuvanti. Yeah, good, ma. Thank you so much, children. Children, last week, what alphabet did we learn? We learned alphabet M, N, and O. Okay. Now I want you to take your slate and write M, N, and O. Come on. Take your slate and write small letter M, small letter N, and O. Yes, in the 4 lines, children. Don't write in the checks part, okay? Don't write here. Inga ezhudakudade. Write here. Okay? M, how will you write? A standing line. Go up. One curve, another curve. Without taking your hand, you have to write. Okay? Parents, please make sure whether your child is writing M letter without taking out their hand. It's very good. Yes, very good, Makesha. Done. Next, write N. N the same way N. Standing line. Go up in the same line. But how many curve will you put? 1 curve or 2 curve? Only 1 curve. Okay? Very good, Mavisha. Very good. Radyani, good. Yeah, very good, Ananya. Mitra, good. Oh, now oh. Children, I am writing big letters so that it will be visible for you clearly. But what you have to do is you have to write in the white line only given here. சின்ன சின்னதா தெரியும்ட்டு மேம் பிக்கா எழுதிருக்கேன். டோன்ட் ரைட் லைக் தட். யூ ஃபாலோ த லைன் லைக் திஸ். ஒயிட் லைன்ல தான் எழுதணும். ஓகேவா? உங்களுக்கு சின்ன சின்னதா தெரியுமேனு மேம் has written like this. But don't write like this. Follow the line. Okay? MNO. Sukriv Gautam, follow the line. Sukriv Gautam. Very good, ma. Ruthven, good boy. Very good. M, N and O. Finished everyone, show me, let me see. Very good, Jason. Ananya, Varsha, good. Keshav, Mitra, Dashwan. What happened to your M, Dashwan? Okay. Today's new letter, what we are going to learn is P. Small letter P. From white line to red line and a curve like this. From white line to red line. Red line மேல இருக்க red line ல இருந்து start பண்ணக்கூடாது. From white line to red line and a curve. Just like capital P only, but the line only differs. Okay. Children, come on. Small P. P. Very good. Have you all written P? Like capital letter only you will write, children. Very good, Keshav. Yes, first we'll have a small recap of O. Okay, this is O. Capital O, small O. O for what is this? Everyone look at the screen. What is this? O for octopus. Next, what is this? O for what is it? Ostrich. Very good. Ostrich. Next, O for orange. Very good. O for orange. Very good. Next, O for olive. Okay. Orchid. Very good. Orchid. Orchid. Today that is P. Capital P, small p. Capital P, small p. P for what is it? Pillow. The pillow, right? P for Papa Pig. For Panda. Very good. P for parrot. Next for what is it? P for what is it? Apple. Is it apple? No. Very good. See, you learned in the fruit, right? It looks like apple, but it is not apple. It is peach. Okay. Next is peanut. What is peanut? You all have peanut. You all have peanuts, right? Peanut. Next, P for Very good. Pumpkin. And what is this? Piano. It's not piano. It is piano. Piano. Okay. Piano. And then that's it. That's piano. Pumpkin. Penguin. Nut. Peach. Parrot. Panda. Pig. Pillow. So all these start with P, and the sound of P is puff, puff, puff. Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Puff, puff, puff. Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Come on, take your worksheet, everyone. The worksheet will be D46 LT. P. T. First, trace it with your index finger. Before that, write today's date, children. Today's date is 3/1/31 -8-2/1/21, month of August, and this month is going to get over, children. Next month will be September. Okay, this is the last day of this month. 8 is month of August. Jason, tell me the month of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September,
September.
October, November, December.
December.
Very good. Now everyone, start writing, children, everyone. With your pointer finger, first a standing line. And then a curve. Finished? Start from the blue line, children. See the letter, it is starting from the blue line and it ends in the red line. Next page will be your homework. Finished, all of you? Those are finished. Close your book. We are going to next move on to our concept session. Parents, I want you to be ready with any snack, unhealthy food and a healthy food. Okay, I will finish the session and your child will be showing which is healthy and which is unhealthy. Yeah, children, close your book.
Can you
Let them
repeat
listen,
them?
children. Let them listen, parents. You can please prepare for that. Fruits, vegetables, anything for healthy food, and any food like chips, biscuits, or whatever you have, chocolates. Any one material is enough. One healthy and one unhealthy. Okay, come on, children. All of you look at the screen. Today's concept is healthy and unhealthy food. Yes, healthy means whatever food, the food which you eat with, when you become healthy. நீங்க ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங் ஆனீங்கன்னா it is a healthy food. The food which is not good for your health. சாப்பிட்டீங்கன்னா வயிறு வலிக்கும், Ilana, you will get sick. Okay, that type of food are all junk food or else unhealthy food. Okay, so first we are going to check out with the unhealthy food. Unhealthy means how will you show? Unhealthy. Show me the action, children. Unhealthy. Yes, all of you look at the screen. Unhealthy, healthy food. Okay, come on first. What you are going to see? What is this? Answer. What is this? Pizza. Yes, you all know what is pizza. Pizza is a unhealthy food. Yeah, keep it down, my children. Look at the screen. Let your parents prepare it. Okay, you need not go. Look at the screen and observe what I am teaching you. Unhealthy food. First, we are going to see the unhealthy food. Pizza. Next, what is it? Burger. Visha, you know everything, huh? That shows you are eating burger, pizza and all. Yes? Okay. Burger. Yeah, burger. Next. Donuts. Keta, very good. Donuts. Okay. Next. Ah, Achacha, what is this? Chocolate. Lot of chocolate. French fries, kurkure, fries, kurkure. No. Unhealthy food. Okay, next. What is it? Love unhealthy person. Ice cream is all healthy. Okay?
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ unhealthy food.
Yes?
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ unhealthy food.
Noodles. Very good. Very good, my children. All these food you like very well. Become mute yourself, my dear. All these are unhealthy food. The food which you like noodles, you like pizza, you like burger, you like chocolates, right? But all these are unhealthy. It is not at all good for your health. சாப்பிட்டீங்கன்னா வயிறு வலிக்கும் உடம்பு சரியில்லாம போகும். Okay? Don't eat such type of food. Okay? Next we are going to see the healthy food. Let's see what is healthy. Healthy-னா என்னது? சாப்பிட்டா உடம்பு நல்லா இருக்கும். Become strong and healthy. That is healthy food. So first is, what is this? Very good. It's a soup, vegetable soup. Good. Next, sandwich. Very good. Sandwich. Good. Why sandwich is good? Because we are including all those raw vegetables. Tomatoes, lettuce, onions and all we eat raw. So we are using vegetables in that, which is healthy only. Sandwich. Next, what is it? Curd rice. Very good. Rice. It is rice. No need to say curd rice. Rice is also good for your health. Next is salad. Very good. Vegetable salad or fruit salad. Whatever salad it is good for you children. Salad. Okay. Yeah, in vegetables also we can make salad. With fruits also we can make salad. Okay. So both are good for your health. Next is milk. Milk contains lot of iron. So milk is also good for your health. Next. What juice is this? Vegetables. Yeah, fruits and fruit juices are good for your health. That is fresh juices, children. Not the packed juice which we get from the shop and drink. Not that one. Fresh juice. Fresh cut panni podum. That is fresh juice. Okay, not the juice that is given in the carton packet and all. Okay, or the bottle juices like Coca-Cola. No. Those are not good for your health. Coca-Cola, slice and all. No, not that type of juice. Fresh juices. Okay. So all these are healthy food. Now come on, all of you. I want you to bring only one healthy food and one unhealthy food and show it to ma'am. Come on.
And
Yes.
this is bad.
இது என்னது ஹெல்தியா ஹெல்தியா ஹெல்தி
Okay, first children, all of you show me your healthy food. Edu healthy food காட்டுங்க பார்க்கலாம். First show me the healthy food. This is healthy. Yes.
Healthy food.
Yeah, fruit. Very good. Okay, Jason, this is healthy. Both are showing.
Healthy food, man.
Yeah, healthy food is fruit, vegetable, whatever you have in your home. Those are healthy. Now show me the unhealthy food. Unhealthy food காட்டுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Which is unhealthy? Chocolate, very good. Bottle juice, biscuit, chocos. Then what else?
No.
Good. Biscuits. Most of you have biscuits, chocolates. Good. Those are unhealthy. Will you eat unhealthy food hereafter? Will you eat unhealthy food? Will my children eat unhealthy food hereafter? Yes, sir. Who said yes? யார் சொன்னீங்க எஸ்ன்னு? No, lot of unhealthy food you should not eat. அப்பப்ப கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் சாப்பிடலாம், but regularly daily சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. Okay, very rarely you can eat. Okay, but regularly all the time you should not eat. Okay, that is not good for your health. Eat lot of vegetables, lot of fruits, drink fruit juice, eat rice, chapati, whatever you want. So that is good for your health. Now let's move on to our worksheet. Come on, take the worksheet number D44 ERP. D44 ERP. Here you are going to write the initial sound, children, of the food. Okay. So write the capital letters. Need not write the small letters. Write the capital letters.
Can you repeat the page number, ma'am?
D44 ERP. Ananya's mom, for you the worksheet will be matching. You just match the words alone. Okay. D44 ERP.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, it will be just the matching page. You just match first. When I say soup, you circle the word and match the soup. Okay. Others, you will be writing the capital letters, children. Initial letter. Ready? First is soup. Sound. What will you write? So sound na enna eluduveenga? What will you write? No, what enna eludano?
சொல்லுங்க.
No, yes. Come on, write. S-O-U. If you have doubts, you can repeat and write. Soup.
Yes, food.
Ananya will circle the word soup and then you have to match.
Yes, சரியா
Or else you match the picture and match the word. S-O-U-P.
சரியா போடு. டேஷ்ல போடுங்க.
Noodles. Noodles. In means you'll write N.
நூடுல்ஸ் N போடுங்க.
Noodles. Sound. N. Right, ma Ananya. Sorry. Right, ma Mahini.
போட்டுக்கிச்சு என்ன எம் என்ன சொன்னாங்க N போடு.
Again, salad. The sound. So you'll write again S. Salad. Next is rice. A bowl full of rice. Sound. So R. First write like P and then a slanting line. R. R-I-C-E. Rice. Next is curd. Curd.
Ma'am, for Ananya, we could not able to find the page, ma'am.
D44 ERP, it's not there, huh?
Yeah. There it is different.
Yeah, I said that only I told you. You will be matching it.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
so
okay, ma'am.
first circle the soup letter word for her. Okay,
Okay.
and then ask her to match the soup bowl.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Got it. Thanks, ma'am.
இல்லைன்னா நீங்களே சொல்லி கொடுக்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இங்க என்ன இருக்கோ அந்த வேர்டு அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரியே சொல்லி கொடுங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இங்க சாலட் இருக்கா, சாலட் சர்க்கிள் பண்ணுங்க. டெல் ஹர் வேர் இஸ், ஆஸ்கர் வேர் இஸ் சாலட், லெட்டர் மேட்ச் தி சாலட். சாலட்னா இங்க இருக்கு, லெட்டர் மேட்ச். ஓகே,
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
next sandwich. Sound sandwich. Again you will be writing yes. Sandwich. Next is milkshake. Mom, milkshake. Next is fruit juice. F. Fruit juice. That's it. Finish writing, children.
Finish, ma'am.
Everyone finished? Is there anyone still writing?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good.
Supreme writing, ma'am.
Yeah, right, ma, right. Be ready with your next worksheet, children. D46 CT. Yeah, 46 CT. Be ready with that. Sukri, finish, ma? Over. D46 CT, next page. Finished, oh, Sukri. Sukri, where is it, Anna? Sukri's mom?
He finished, ma'am. He finished. Just now he finished.
Yeah, next here, circle all the unhealthy food. Children, you yourself identify and circle. Finally, ma'am will tell you what is the correct answer. From what we learned, you can find out line, see it in a line. First line you have apple, banana, french fries. See which is unhealthy. எது healthy கிடையாதோ அதை circle பண்ணணும். Okay, second line you have milk, curd and chocolate. Mahidni, come on, do your worksheet. Good girl, come on. Next is third line you have roti, dal and this one, this Kellogg's or something which is packed, no, that one. Next is fruit or vegetable salad, ice cream and a fruit. So in each line you have an unhealthy food. Check what is the unhealthy food and circle it. Line by line, do it, children. First line la edu unhealthy food. Second line la edu unhealthy food. Like that you have to find it and then you have to circle. Finally ma'am will do it. Let me know when you finish.
Huh?
All these not
She doesn't know what this one is, ma'am.
That is that Kellogg's and all we used to eat in the morning. That is the packed thing. That is also not good for health.
Okay.
Fish, man.
That cornflakes and all, no? That one.
Okay, ma'am.
Unhealthy food. Fish, man.
If you don't know, you leave it, children. This one, cornflakes, if you don't know, you leave it. It is not compulsory that you have to circle. Okay. So the first line, come on, check the answers. First line, apple is healthy. Banana is healthy. French fries, not at all healthy. Circle the french fries. Second line, milk is healthy, curd is healthy, chocolates, no, you'll get tooth cavity children. So chocolates not at all healthy. Next, roti, dal and this, cornflakes. Since it is a packed product, it is also not good children. They will use all those preservatives in that, so it is not good. Next is salad, ice cream and a fruit, orange fruit. Of course, it is ice cream. So these are the answers. Have you done it correctly? How many of you have done it correctly? Raise your hand. Let me see. எத்தனை பேர் கரெக்டா பண்ணீங்க? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. மணியன் இப்படி காட்டுவீங்களா? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. கை தூக்கி காட்டு. Raise your hand. Very good. Most of you. Well done, children. Okay. Shall we move on to our next worksheet? So before moving to our next worksheet, I want all of you to stand up for road counting. Come on, stand up, all of you. Ready? Stand up. Ananya, stand up. Visha, stand up. Kavi Kartika, stand up. His ma'am is going to road count. You are going to jump. Varsha, stand. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yes, very good. Come on now, sit down all of you. Take your worksheet number 344 empty. 3131. And the next worksheet D45 empty 3232. Both the sheets will be doing today. Okay? 31 and 32. D44 empty. Yes, how will you count these tens counting children? First is 10, 20, 30, 31. Like that you have to count 10, 20, 30, 31. 3, 1, 31. Those who finish 31 can start writing 3 to 32. But the same way you have to count 10, 20, 30, 31, 32 like that. Three, 1, 31. Sukriv Gautam. No chocolate for Sukriv Gautam today. No star.
No, he just went for washroom, ma'am.
Washroom. Also. Sorry. I thought he's playing.
Oh, I only dropped.
Sorry, Sukriv.
It's okay.
It's okay, ma. Okay. Come on, start writing, children. 3, 1, 31. Spell and write, children. I want all of you to spell and write. 3, 1, 31. Those who finish 31 and 32 numbers, I'm going to give you star. Come on. I have prepared red color star also for you children. Because many of you are asking for red color flowers, right? So I have prepared for red color flower star also. Come on, write fast and show it to me. What, Mama Ini? What happened?
ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ದರು ಸ್ಲೋ ಎಲ್ದರು ನೀಟ್
இல்லங்கடா
Red shield, right? Come on, write, Makana. Good girl. சீக்கிரம் எழுதுங்க பார்க்கலாம்.
இல்ல குடுக்குறாங்களா நீங்க எழுதுங்க
I'll give you, Ma. Come on, write. 3, 1, 31. 10's counting. You have to circle like this, children. 10, 20, 30, and then 31. Next worksheet is 32. The same way you have to count. Ten, 20, group of tens, always circle children. Tani taniya count pannakoodadhu. No one should count like that. 30, 31, 32. Like this you have to count. Let's Goodwin, right? Number 31. 3, 1, 31. Ananya, spell and write. Hazel finished 31 and moved to 32. Very good.
Yes,
Hazel.
ma'am.
That's all. Wow, I'm really very surprised, Hazel. Good girl. I'm going to give star for Hazel. Come on, finish fast. Star kudukalam, come on. Got angry, Hazel.
busy writing
Right. I'll prepare the star for you. Write first.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Who finished? Kavi Kartikava.
3,
3 to 32 also finish பண்ணனும். 3 to 32 finish பண்ணுங்க. D45 empty.
ma'am. What do you want to finish? What do you want to
Wow, Vasanthi. Good, super. 3 to 32
அதோ முடிச்சிட்டாங்க மேம்
ரெண்டுமே முடிச்சிட்டாங்களா? Okay, what star you need, Madhuvanti?
எந்த கலர் ஸ்டார் வேணும்னு கேக்குறாங்க
Red color.
Red color. எனக்கு தெரியும். Red color only you will ask. Red color star for Madhuvanti. Welcome. Yeah, welcome, Madhuvanti. Good. Next one. Hazel. Super Hazel. What color star you need, Hazel?
Hazel, என்ன கலர் Hazel, which what color you want Hazel?
Pink தானே?
Pink, she said pink ma'am.
Pink only you will ask, I know. See here.
Hazel, pink color stuff for you. Say thank you ma'am.
Very angry. See here.
See pink color star.
நிறைய எழுத வைக்கிறீங்க மேம். Okay, fine. Next, Varsha finish. Varsha, what color star you need?
Pink, dark pink.
Star. Pink Star for Varsha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Varsha. Next, who else? Next, who else? Three, 2:32. Where is Hazel? I can't find Hazel. Hide and seek, Hazel.
Ma'am, Rudvin finished, ma'am.
Rudvin finished. Very good, Rudvin. What color star you need, Rudvin? என்ன ஸ்டார் வேணும்? என்ன கலர் வேணும்? ஆ?
Mosquito king. Red, ma'am.
ஆ?
Red color, ma'am.
Red, red, red. Red color star for Rudvin. Rudvin. Welcome. Okay, next, Visha finished. Very good, Visha. What color star you need, Visha? Red color. Red color star for Visha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome.
Hmm?
Mine is Visha.
Finish that.
Who is done? Who finished? Ananyava, Mahiriniya, who finished? Ananya finished?
Finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. What color star you need?
Purple.
Purple. Yeah. Purple star for Ananya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Ananya. Next one. Keshav finished. Very good, Keshav. What color star you need?
IIP.
Pink. Pink star for Keshav.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Keshav. Okay, next one. What is my boy Jason doing? Still writing?
Right here.
Oh, right. Right. Radyani, very good. Pusha, what color star you need?
Pink.
Pink. Radyani also started writing very fast nowadays. Very good. Pink. Okay? Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Radyani. Next. Kavi Kartika. Very good, Kavi Kartika. What color star you need?
Red.
Red. Red star for Kavi Kartika. Yes? Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Kavi Kartika. Dashwan didn't finish,
I'm still writing, ma'am.
Okay, right. Taruneshwar. Mitra, finish, Amma. Still, who is writing? I think Mahirni, Sukrib, and then Dashwan, and then who is writing? Taruneshwar, Mitra. 5 children are writing, I think. Finish. Those who are writing, please keep writing, children. Those who have finished, thank you so much. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye, children. Those who didn't finish, write and writing. Don't bye, Disha, Hazel, Ananya, Keshav. Bye, Kavi Kartika. Those who are writing, write. Don't go.
சொல்றாங்க பாரு எழுதி
After finish writing, get a star from me and then only you should go. எழுதிட்டு star வாங்கிட்டு தான் போணும்.
quick.
Dashwan. What number is Mahini writing?
சொல்லுங்க
22.
3 2
32 ah.
சவுண்டா சொல்லு
32.
Good.
fast.
Ravi Kartika, where is Dashwan? Call Dashwan.
Good.
Yes, very good. What color